Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me this week. So this week I'm going to be talking about 5 things that I pack, 5 things that I couldn't live without as a consultant when I'm traveling on the road. So if you're interested in finding out 5 things that you should pack if you're a consultant and you're traveling around the world, then please keep on watching. Okay, so there are vital things that I pack when I'm on the road that I actually cannot live without. And if you're starting off as a consultant, then you might find this helpful too. So, of course, the first obvious thing is a multi-adapter. If you're traveling to different countries, it's really important that you have a multi-adapter so that you can plug your computer in, you can use different electronic goods. And there are some parts of the world that actually have a different voltage. So you need to be really aware that, for example, in Japan, in Taiwan, and in the US, the voltage there is 110. So if you're taking over any hair dryers or any electrical appliances, that they may not work. But besides that, the multi-adapter will actually help you at least to plug things in, such as your computer, and your computer normally has a transformer that will convert your voltage. Now, the second thing that I find really useful is packing bags. And I only started recently using packing bags, I'd say in the last year. I used to get old garbage bags and pack all my clothing and categories into old garbage bags. But now I have these reusable packing bags, and so many different places sell them now. And I actually categorize all of my packing. So let's say I've got all my shirts or all my skirts and pants in one packing bag. And then when I'm unpacking in my new destination, all I have to do is just get that bag out and I know exactly what's in that bag, and it's really easy to pack and unpack with packing bags. My second recommendation is to purchase packing bags that you can reuse all the time. Now, the third thing that I actually purchase is a SIM card. And I know that some plans are quite affordable for you to turn on your data roaming. For me, it's not. I'm based in Hong Kong, and it's really easy and quite cheap and affordable to buy SIM cards either for Europe, for the US, for Australasia, anywhere in Asia. SIM cards are pretty cheap, and they're normally a lot more affordable than if you land in the country and try and buy a SIM card, depending on where you are. So recently I was in Cambodia and it was actually quite affordable just to pick up a SIM card at the airport in Cambodia. But if you go to some places in Europe and you try and buy a SIM card, it can be really costly or quite difficult to actually purchase. So the third thing that I think is really important is a SIM card. Now, the fourth thing that I pack is my own toiletries. You don't know what's going to be supplied at where you're staying. And so I don't want to be caught out without any toiletries. I have mini bottles of everything and I pack all my own toiletries. So fourth thing, pack your own mini toiletries in case you're stuck and there are no toiletries. And I'll give you an example, toothpaste. Toothpaste is something that's not supplied in a lot of hotels. And so I always pack my own toothpaste. Now, the fifth thing that I actually pack is my own thermos, just a small light thermos, so that I can reuse that either for water or for coffee. And that means that I can make my coffee in the morning in my thermos in my hotel, and then I take my thermos to the school or to the institution that I'm visiting, and then I don't have to keep reusing disposable cups. And I also know then that I'm guaranteed my coffee in the morning. So the 5 things that I always pack when I'm on the road are a multi-adapter, lots of packing bags for different categories of clothing. I always purchase a SIM card for the destination that I'm going to. I always pack my own mini toiletries in case I get stuck. And I always carry my own thermos with my own coffee so that I don't have to use disposable plastic. Now, there is a bonus thing that I do carry with me that I find absolutely invaluable. I take some vitamins and supplements for overall health, and I always take my pill box. And my pill box has Monday to Sunday written on it, AM, PM, so that I have my morning supplements and vitamins and my evening supplements, all natural. And so I always actually take my pill box as well. Rather than taking 20 different bottles of pills, I just have that small tray for however long that I'm away with. So, what are some of the things that you take when you're traveling and you're on the road? If there's something that you take, please add it to the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and I hope to see you next time, and have a great 2024, everyone.